Hello, different environment because I'm back in Dubai and currently a spec car. Gonna check out on my car, how it's gonna look at the moment, and keep you updated. So now they're preparing for paint. Fenders have been cut around here, made it flash. So now they're removing basically everything. Probably the next step is sanding it down. Oh yeah, they already started here. Then during the process they're gonna blend everything to the body, so it's gonna look nicer. Now it's a bit rough, but it's gonna be looking good after they're done. So just trust the process and let's see what's next. This is my front bumper. Still hurt, but they will start to fix it eventually. You can see the bad cracks that happened when I had an issue with my lower controller. Even here, it's actually worse than I was remembering it. But I mean, it's fiberglass; it can always be repaired. Yeah, just need some patience now, and everything will get done. Probably, I think next week the car will go for paint. So I think today, tomorrow, after tomorrow will be all preparation for painting. So next week we should see a different result. What do you think of the color?
Oh, I thought it was going to be a special reveal for your video, but I was trying to hide it, but it's like the R34 Midnight Purple 2. Is it Midnight Purple 2 or because there's 3 and
it's more similar to the Midnight Purple 3.
3, okay.
Kinda.
Cool.
Because there's like more gold.
Midnight Purple 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2.
Yeah, 2 plus, Midnight Purple 2. Yeah. It's cool, man. It's like a little bit of green to it and then purple, right?
Yeah, there's a gold shade.
Yeah. Midnight Purple 2. Yeah, I was right. Yeah.
So today they're doing a track day for these Oman people and they invited us. They decided to take the caterer out. So we're gonna go for some laps at the Autodrome. It was totally random. Like I was home working and I just got called out of nowhere. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's interesting because it's a 2-liter Ford Duratec 4-cylinder, 210 horsepower, 500 kilos. Bucket seats are really comfy. And this is actually my second time in one. First time has been on normal roads, first time on track.
Fucking hell. Okay, it's on now. It's on now. Oh boy, that would have been bad.
seen earlier was actually not planned for the day. I was planning to film today just to go to the shop and check the progress on my car, because I haven't seen my car actually since I came back from Japan. That's like a month ago. Things happen and stuff got delayed, but it is what it is. On the positive side, I get to drive this Evo 6 that is of my friend Danny. He's lending me the car until I get my car back. So super nice of him. Really appreciate it. I'm really grateful. And honestly, this car is super fun. It has 300 horsepower now, so I got tuned. Used to be stock, I think 250 or 260, something like that. Yeah, it's super fun because you get good response. You get a small car because it's actually really small, honestly. So it's super active. The blow off sounds amazing. And it's a Japanese import, so of course it's right and drive. As you can see. There is this HKS boost gauge that I think is cool. It's old school. Yeah, of course. So it's super nice. Also it has, like, the rear is actually okay, fairly small honestly. Like, you don't have a lot of leg space, but considering the size of the car, you know, it's not bad. But I mean, I don't think you plan to put people on the back. What I find cool as well is that you can adjust the wing, you know, for more or less drag. At the moment the car is on some stockish exhaust. So the stock one was coming 2.5 inches, 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches. So now the exhaust is full from the turbo back, 3 inches. It still has a cut muffler and a muffler, I think, or maybe it's cut and muffler. But yeah, super fun car to drive, honestly. And you also got this, it's a Game Boy that has been converted to GPS, so it's kind of cool to see. Not super accurate, I must say. It's a bit strange to use, but I mean, it's cool to have if you have it on the side or if it's here. I think actually this is cooler than this, in my opinion. I think the Game Boy is like way too big. But look at this. It's so nice. Like, it's really nice. It even has this thing here that it's kind of useless. I don't know if it's because we're not in Japan, but in theory it's supposed to show, yeah, the tachymeter, and it's never working. But yeah, let's head to the shop. So the car is like prepared, sand it down. This has been welded. And the roof has been prepared. And I guess there is somewhere else. Oh, there's someone else's. Yeah, I think there'll be a next step. We'll go into painting probably after blending them. Today I came to the shop trying to check on my car for updates. But now I have also a second Mark II somehow. Should be somewhere around here, and I'll explain you everything later. But yeah, now I have two cars at the workshop.
Oh, missile beam.
Definitely. You will buff out.
Yeah.
You will buff out. I mean, this can kind of be pulled out.
This can be good. This I can. But you know this section?
Yeah.
This one you need to get new.
the fan and the clutch here. Airbag you don't need.
No,
Like just get the cover for it.
I just cut it out.
Yeah. Just the cover for it.
Well, new missile. I wasn't expecting this today. Look at these. They're blended. Damn. Holy moly. Now that they're blended, it's so different. Holy moly. Oh, this one not done yet. That one is done. That's crazy. So that's how they do. Okay, I see. So much mess inside the car. But damn, look at these. A different day. Since the last clip, I think it has been a couple of days. So today I'm going to check again my car to see what's happening. Most of all to just say goodbye to all my friends, because I'm so excited. I'm going again to Tokyo Salon. So this is the yearly trip for Auto Salon, and it's always so exciting. I always have this anticipation, and it's like really cool for me to go every year for the past. This will be the third year in a row that we're going to Auto Salon. Giacomo is coming from Italy, and you know, since we were kids, we've always been looking on the magazines about Tokyo Salon, and now it's just reality. We own Japanese cars, you know. The more you dream, the more you can achieve if you work towards your dream. It's exciting. So, yeah, let's see how my car is today at the workshop. And probably I'm gonna end the video with these last clips, and I'll see you then in the next video at the airport. So my car actually is in the same status as the last time. I mean, it was like 2 days ago, understandable because they have so much work. They've been painting also the Porsche, and now they're gonna paint these panels on this Pro Altezza. It's a much quicker job than mine, so it's going first, but not really stressed about it because anyway, I'm going to Japan. So I guess I'll see you when I see you.